all teachers, teachers, and all my beloved friends, good morning. My name is Mọ Abọrស I am in grade 4 of IP program at Saranpum School, Jakama 1 campus. Today I will read you a reading which is called About Trees. It's written by Sherry Sterling. The purpose of this book is to tell us about different types of trees and their function. Let's begin. Introduction. Trees are the tallest living plants. Redwood trees can grow as tall as a 30-story building. Giant sequoia can weigh as much as 3,000 large pickup trucks, making them one of the heaviest living things. Trees also live a long time. Many trees alive today were full-grown long before the United States became a country. But these massive trees share something with all plants. They make their own food. Leaves. Imagine being able to make your own food without cooking or even going to a restaurant. Leaves make food for trees by changing energy from sunlight into food. This important work is done by chlorophyll, the green coloring in leaves. Leaves come in all shapes and sizes. Most US trees have wide-thin leaves, while most conifers have needle-like leaves. Conifers keep their needles through all seasons. Only the oldest needle fell to the ground. US trees lose their leaves every fall. In the fall, the leaves of US trees show their true colors. These true colors are yellows, oranges, and browns, which hide under green chlorophyll all spring and summer. We see this color in the fall after leaves stop making chlorophyll. Branches. Branches are the arms that hold up a tree's leaves. Branches spread leaves out to get as much sunlight as they can. The leaves give shade to other living things on sunny days. Branches start out as twigs, then they grow thicker each year. As a tree grows, its bark cracks open so the branches and trunk can expand. New bark is always growing under the old, ready to protect the trees. If new bark gets stripped away, a tree can die. Trunk. Tubes in the tree's trunk carry water from the root up to the leaf. They also carry sap or food down from the leaf to the roots. These tubes are like highway carrying traffic back and forth. They are close to the outside of the tree, just under the bark. A tree doesn't need the middle of its trunk to live. The middle is made of rings of old growth, not active highways. That's why a tree can keep growing even if the middle is hollowed out after a lightning strike. All it needs is enough bark to protect its highway. Roots. Tree needs soil to keep growing. Roots are the part of the highways. They soak up water and nutrients from the soil. Roots also keep the soil in place when it rains. Without the roots of trees and plants, soil washes away. Trees are stuck in soil because their roots reach deep into the ground. It's a good thing they can make their own food since they can move to get it. Sap. Leaves use water plus sunlight and air to make food for the tree. This food is in the form of liquid sugars. Sometimes people eat some kind of tree sugars for food. You probably had tree sugar for breakfast, pouring it over your pancake or waffles. Have you guessed what tree sugar this is? It's maple syrup, and it comes from the fruit or sap of a sugar maple tree. Seeds. These US trees grow flowers which make seeds that are inside fruits or nuts. Conifers make cone instead of flower. The cone do the same job for conifer that flower do on other trees. They make seed to grow more trees. Each seed holds its own supply of food to keep it alive until it's ready to sprout. Growing. How does a tall tree grow from a small seed? The seed soaks up water until it can send out a root. With more water, leaves inside the seed grow until they push up and out. Once this has happened, we say the seed has sprouted. Now the sprout can make its own food and no longer need the seed's store of energy. The seed leaf will make food for the new sprout. Conclusion. While trees look like they aren't doing much, they are working. They make their own food by changing sunlight and air into sugars. This helps keep the air clean too. Trees are home for and food for birds and other animals. Look to see which animal make home in trees near your home. Some animals, including humans, eat sap, fruits, and seeds from trees. Others eat bark and leaf. Trees do many things. Tree leaves shade us on sunny days. They also shade new sprouts from the heat of the sun so they won't burn. Tree roots hold the soil in place that trees and other plants need to grow, from sapling to mighty giants, trees 10 tall. After reading the article, we have learned about different parts of trees and their function, such as leaf, branches, trunk, roots, sap, seeds, and growth. I believe trees are very important for people and animals. They provide us food and shelter. Moreover, trees keep the air clean and reduce global warming. This is the end of the video. Ladies and gentlemen, don't forget to take care of yourself and plant more trees around your house to make the air clean. Thank you for your listening and attention. Stay safe. Good night. សាលារៀនសុវណ្ណភូមិជាសាលាចំណេះទូទៅខ្មែរធំជាងគេនិងល្អជាងគេនៅកម្ពុជា